How to use the Whiting-Turner Contracting Company review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. The Whiting-Turner Contracting Company is a leading construction firm, but beginners often misunderstand how to work effectively with them or interpret reviews. Here's how to get it right. Most people get this wrong. They assume all reviews reflect current project quality. Construction projects vary by location, team, and timing. Check multiple sources and project histories rather than relying on a single review. Another common mistake is ignoring the scope of services. Whiting-Turner handles commercial, residential, and government projects. Not knowing which sector a review refers to can mislead expectations. Many users overlook safety and compliance ratings. Whiting-Turner emphasizes OSHA standards and sustainable building practices. Focusing solely on speed or cost can miss crucial quality indicators. Ignoring client testimonials or case studies is another trap. These provide context on project management, communication, and problem solving. Reviews alone don't always highlight these strengths. Finally, beginners often misunderstand project timelines. Delays can occur due to weather, permits, or supply chain issues. Reviews criticizing timing without context can be misleading. In conclusion, using Whiting-Turner reviews properly means checking multiple sources, understanding service scope, considering safety and compliance, reviewing client case studies, and interpreting timelines carefully. Doing this gives a clear, accurate picture of the company's capabilities.